In this video I've called it Tarot Cards Beginners. Use them to enhance your life. I've got a set of tarot cards here and a book, and it can help you in your spiritual practice, it can help you guide you, and it can enhance your life and give you some little bit of guidance. If you want to know more, please carry on and watch this video. Welcome to my channel. My name's Lorraine and I help people live with passion, purpose and positivity. Let's dive right into this video. Tarot cards for beginners. Use them to enhance your life. Wow, that's quite good, isn't it? And I've started using tarot cards now since the lockdown. It's something that I'm learning, and it's opening up various doors and avenues for me. And I want to talk about where it started and why I became interested. So I've got this book here, Tarot Cards, and it's by Jonathan D. And I've also got this set of tarot cards too, and I've had these for over 20 years, would you believe? I went on a course about a long time ago, about 25 years ago, and it was on tarot cards, and the lady who was teaching the course was saying about how you have to tap into your intuition and use your imagination to have a tarot reading. I mean, a lot of times people think that tarot cards is mystical, it's magical, it's a bit woo-woo, like witchcraft and all this sort of thing. But in this instance, I'm just going to talk about how I'm using them at the moment, just for my own personal use, and I'm using them with friends as well. So what happens is there's 78 cards here, and these cards are very graphic. They've got lovely pictures, and you know, you can look at the pictures and get an idea of what the card's about. So there's 78 cards, and to the first 22 of the cards, it's called the Major Arcana. And when you pick a card that's in the Major Arcana, that's usually something big's going to happen in your life, a big change and a big thing. Whereas the rest of the cards, it's almost like the pack in a normal set of cards, you know, like 4 sets, and there's 4 sets in this. But it is my intention to learn every single card, and that's quite a thing, isn't it, really, 78 cards. And I'm trying to learn one every day, and this book is helping me by telling me a bit about the card and the meaning to the card. So, you know, we've been on lockdown lately. I mean, my friends and I have been meeting on a Wednesday up the park, and I've been taking my tarot cards with me. And because they're my cards, I'm the only one that's got to hold them. So what I do is I say to Mary, I shuffle a card, and then I ask her to tell me when to stop. So she tells me when to stop, and then I pick a card for her, and then I read it out from the books. They know that I don't know it all properly yet, and I read the meaning from the book. And last week, my friend Mary says, "Oh wow, Lorraine, that's amazing. That's really helped me, and it's really relevant to my life at the moment." And I sent her a copy of the reading, and she was well chuffed. And I felt really pleased myself that I'd helped her in some way. But personally, you can use them every day. You can pick a card every day, and it can guide you into your day. You can use them as like, you know, because you've got your own. I've said this before, all the answers in life you've got inside of you. So these cards are merely helping you tap into your own wisdom. And you can pick a card and ask the tarot cards a question. Pick the card of your choice and look it up if you like, or just think, oh, you know, and you could write in a journal what the card is, what you think the meaning is, and how it's going to guide you in the day. And at the end of the day, you can assess, has this reading, has this guidance helped me? And invariably, just lately, it has been. I mean, I'm up to the High Priestess. I did get the card out, but it's gone now. It's the High Priestess, which is, oh, where is it? It's not here. So it is a strong feminine influence, the High Priestess. And here it is in the book, here. And this card says that a secret is going to be revealed. So I think this is how I'm remembering the card, particularly this one. So High Priestess. It's got an S in it, hasn't it? So that means a lot of S's. And a secret's going to be revealed. So secret's going to be revealed. You might have your own way of remembering the card. And also it's strongly linked to instinct, intuition and your gut feeling. So instinct. So I remember it like that. So if you pick the High Priestess card, that's quite a good card to guide you. It would say, you know, a secret might be revealed. So have your ears, you know, look around and expect a secret to be revealed. Or, you know, you could tap into your intuition, think, oh, how do I feel about this? Do a little bit of meditation. How do I feel about this? Be guided by your instinct. So as I say, it's mainly for fun at the moment, but you never know. I might get quite good at it and make it as a business. I don't know yet. The world's your oyster, so to speak. But when I first started reading these cards, I read the beginning, and it says, you know, always have the cards with you. Have them under your pillow, you know, really love your cards and get to know your cards and make them, you know, yours. Nobody else is allowed to touch them. And and it says in the book to get like a silk bag you can put them in. So I said to the universe, I'd like a silk bag to put my tarot cards in. Anyway, let it go because it's not a huge thing, is it? And about a week later, I bought a set of taps for my bathroom. I'm having a new shower. And what was the taps wrapped in? But a nice silky white bag. Not silky blue like the book said, but there you go. I got my desire. And it's because I'm not that bothered about it that it come about. This is how things happen. You know, just let things go. There's no struggle. So the tarot cards is just a little bit of fun. I'm going to have a little bit of fun with my friends. If they want me to read a card out, I will. And hopefully after a while, I'll be able to do like more complicated readings. Like you can have 3 cards where you have past, present and future. And I'll do that reading. And then you can have like 12 cards, which is a card for every month of the year. And then you can have another calendar card. That's in like a clock. And then in this book, I mean there's lots of books, isn't there? But in this book there's lots of like they show you lots of like combinations and things you can do, like here, like there's a spread there, the cross spread, the horseshoe spread. I'm not at this stage yet really, but the fan spread. And it does look quite impressive when you're reading for people, you know, to have this elaborate spread, doesn't it? On the calendar spread, what I said before. So that's all a bit later on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be consistent with it. I have said to myself, I'm going to be consistent with it. I'm going to learn it, and I'll watch this space. I'll come back and show you how I'm getting on, whether I've progressed at all or whether I won't give up, because it's something that I'm interested in. It's going to be part of my spiritual practice. Anyway, I hope this is of some benefit for you. You can get the tarot cards and books on Amazon or anywhere, any good bookshop. And I hope you enjoy it and I hope it helps you. And what I'll put in the link below, I'm going to put my free ebook about the law of attraction called It Works, and my website and a few other bits and pieces down there in the description below if you so wish to have a look. Blessings to you, my friends, much love and namaste.